So we're back in another reaction videos by Casey and
okay, Zano.
You already know.
Yes, sir.
So today we're reacting to Kokai remix featuring Nutty, Poptain, Tamuka and Anita Jaxson.
Anita Jaxson.
Okay. Bibero kuna kuimba manje. I don't gonna kuimba bibero. But please just go and check it out. Because we reacted to the original song. The original is the remix.
Yeah. Please go check that out. It's gonna be yeah.
So travel not the remix or not the OG.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah.
So let's get straight to the video. I hope you like it, share, subscribe. And subscribe to my boys' new channel. Okay,
Shit, I keep on forgetting to.
Yeah. The link will be in the description.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hero.
Something special. The name I kiss to the treasure. Ginger put a diamond under pressure. One under pillar with one Anita on the yard, boy. Kokai. Bad girl, me nothing no pressure. Me a sala strike him, Massima strike him. Powerful force, me a dollar ride him. Smart is my
Anita Jaxson. No. This is not fake, guys.
It's not fake.
This is not fake.
Bad girl.
Why did she come in like that? Why did she come in body like that? But if they had to fit on this, guys, perfect fit.
Hey.
Nah. I'm sorry.
bad girl, me nothing no pressure. Me a sala strike him, Massima strike him. Powerful force, me a dollar ride him. Smart is by him, ride him.
That's a good Massiva strike. No, you're
bad girl, me nothing no pressure. Me a sala strike him, Massima strike him. Powerful force, me a dollar ride him. Smart is by him, like demon fight him. Dini only goes to the undermine. Sip on the bench, me a give a dash. Try dilute me, but me a double punch. One man army built like a shot. Bad girl, me not give up, but I put the body that comes in. I was even in a special key. Watch my success, make a bad my belly. My mind get him on a
sorry, but my dad's hands anyway. I Poptain here. I'm a one.
I'm pizza.
Don't pizza is. But so far, what do you think? The original and the remix?
I don't know. You pose any question. You pose our
explain.
Everybody knows me, but I'm real. Too turbulent, me coming like a wave. Musical artist and the kita chef. Akavari kopi meda kundi suki sama players. They say I look and the chinoka, Kokai. They say I mock and the chifoka, Kokai. Every girl I want to me song like Kokai. And I meet day one fan, Kokai. What's the nice and as a compressor, Kokai. I say what I want to flex, Kokai. Every song shot and every girl, Kokai.
My mind is mwanangu. Kana upinda upeka chabiba. Wanakushotora uti mwanangu.
Manakatila, Jackson driller. Babula pia badi femi Katarina. Karozila, kuti manawina. Ndaka gada treasure, ndako kaskina. Zikona, shaino itapangu manzi. Mwadi wala, me melona. top and in a meat when me squeeze up me thing. Take a big up and
I'm sort of in Tamuka. I
don't know. The beat is crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy.
The beat is crazy. I got butter bus.
I want to you.
I got butter bus. You have to give credit where it's due.
Yeah.
I butter bus. But I got boy go.
One day.
What?
Cooking.
I got butter bus.
It's too much.
don't give me favori pay. Tang me full of holiday. It's coming. They say I'm a candy chief for Kokai. Every girl I want you me song like Kokai. All me day one fight. Most of my sisters are the presser. I say what I holla what you flexa. Every song I know. Tell them me now me ne da jango. Balo buro kona so kwana go yeah. I'm meeting manangu manangu. Tell you what in the fake atijanga. Balo go Kokai. Una pinta por esa buena. Nama celebrating.
I got butter.
Yeah, but I really feel about it now.
Anita's party cam. Anita's part was dope.
Was dope.
Anita's part was dope. Because if that was in the original cam, that was dope.
Yeah, that was dope.
I like it though. I like the remix.
Yeah, I like the remix too.
I like how the sound blended into the song.
Yeah,
with the two artists. That was nice. That was nice.
Nutty,
Anita Jaxson.
Shout out to Nutty, Poptain, Tamuka, Anita. Yeah. I think that's it for the video.
That's it for the video, guys.
I hope you like, share, subscribe.
Please comment down below what you think. Do you like the original? Do you like this one?
The remix.
Do you think there's supposed to be a remix? I feel like they should have considered in the main song.
What is it?
They are going to pick it on the main song. This finish in career. But still no. I like verse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's it for the video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Just go and check it out, the original. Yeah, the reaction.
Yeah, and please DM us to get your merch.
It's out.
It's out right now.
Where's that?
Limited edition, limited stock available. So please hit us up. Get yours right now.
Yes, sir. It's your boy Casey and
LK Zano.
Yes.
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.